The kitten was happily playing in the game. Oh no, the mother cat found test paper with zero marking kitten. What is this cat zero? The mom cat got angry and scolded and the kitten badly. Now go and study. After studying for a while, the kitten started feeling sleepy and decided to play a game for a while, and he so wouldn't fall asleep. Oh! The mother catch the kitten playing game instead of study. Oh no, mother cat got angry. Mom, no! Mom, I hate you. Now game competitions. Match start. Oh wow, this is another game. On TV and started crying. She never understood pressures toward the game. I am sorry. I never understood. It's okay, Mom.